How to sell templates on Wix Studios. First, you want to set up your Wix Studio account. So go to studio.wix.com, log in or create a free Wix account. Then choose Wix Studio, not regular Wix editor. Then design a template. So first click create a new site, use a blank canvas or start with a wireframe. Design your layout, headers, sections, contact info, etc. Make sure the site is responsive, test it in mobile and tablet view. Do not use copyrighted images or assets. Only use free or original content. Then save it as a template. Once you're happy with your design, click Site Actions and Save Template. Name your template and add a description. You can now reuse this for clients or list it for sale on approved platforms. Then you can sell the template. You can sell it directly to clients, use a portfolio site or freelancer platform. When clients pay, duplicate the template and transfer it to their Wix account. Sell on Marketplace, upload preview, screenshots, and a demo link. Sell the template file with instructions on how to recreate it in Wix Studios. Include licensing terms if needed. License it privately. Offer a commercial license with terms. Use tools like Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy to handle payment and delivery. For safety and legal notes, do not copy other creators' templates or Wix's internal designs. Do not use paid fonts, stock images, or plugins without proper licenses. All sales should follow Wix's terms of service and YouTube's community guidelines. Do not claim your template is officially approved by Wix unless it is. Subscribe.